Peaceful greetings, friends. We're on lesson 3 and we're going to say the sounds. And then the next time we're going to say the sounds and then say them fast. Okay? So here we go. Your turn to say the words slowly. Say run. Say man. Say this. Say we. Say she. All right, good job, friends. It's so good that you didn't take a stop in between. Now we're going to play a new Say It Fast game. First, you'll say the word that I say slowly, then you'll say it fast. Say me. Say it fast. Me. Yes. All right. Say man. Say it fast. Man. Good. Say if. Say it fast. If. Say we. Say it fast. We. Good. Let's do those words again. Say me. Good. Now say it fast. Me. All right. Say man. Say it fast. Man. Say if. Say it fast. If. Good. Say we. Now say it fast. We. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. So good. When you saying this word slowly, it sounds slowly. You're sounding like a robot in slow motion. You are beautiful, you are powerful, and you are smart in peace.